If you struggle with getting enough protein and veggies into your daily meals, this video will show you how it is easy to prep a ton of veggies and protein in under 30 minutes, start to finish. Meatballs with a vegetable red sauce is delicious, nearly impossible to screw up, and very versatile as you can eat it with gluten-free pasta or over rice for a higher carb meal. You can also eat it over a bed of veggies or on its own like a soup for a lower carb meal. It also goes great as a leftover meatball sandwich on gluten-free bread. The recipe and instructions for this are in the description below, but obviously watch the video to see how it goes. Leave a comment with one way you plan to serve this dish up, and once you've made it, let me know what you think. I'm curious to hear what twist you put on this recipe. If you enjoyed this Prep Ninja video, subscribe, as there are much more to come. This was the first video I filmed in this fashion, so I'll keep getting better. And leave a comment below and like the video if you liked it and want more. I'm also open to feedback about how I can improve these Prep Ninja videos, so leave that down in the comments below as well.